Good morning! Good morning, everyone! Look at that tail! Look at that weird tail! Ah, don't bite me! Baby? Want another one? Here. Don't steal. Here, man. There you go, little boy. Is that too sweet for you? Not for you, you fat. Wait, it's all gone. Get you some more. Hey, Jackie boy, you hungry? You coming for some more? Hey, Willie. You getting in that fresh mud? You in all that dirty straw? Leo! Hey! Don't you wee up any of this. You see, you've got your wee-wee face on. Yeah, you've got your wee-wee face on. Callie, leave them! Callie! Leave Clyde and Harley! Poor ducks. Whoa, 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 everyone. Oi, 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 come on. Come on, get out of here, Jackie. Come on. Out you go. Thank you. And you guys, get out of here. Come on, guys. Holly, look. I got your ball. And I've got a couple more onions sprouting in here. Jack, you want to come and have a little cuddle inside and have a cup of tea with Mummy? Oh, you. Come on, I just bathed you. Callie, you're such a tomboy. Ew. I wish dogs had the same feathers as ducks and then they wouldn't have to be bathed. What are you doing, Lee? Callie, you're going to get along very well with our guests that are going to come and stay soon, since you like all that mud and mud baths, dirty water, yucky girl. Are you eating my goodies, Jack? What are you eating? Do you like the mint? Is it nice? Oh, you're so cute. I just want to pinch you. Pinch, 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 pinch. Ugh. I saw that, you naughty boy. Leave that bunny alone. Yeah, I caught you. What can you smell, Cal? What is it? Look at your cute little black nose. It's all mucky. I saw you. Stop nipping. I see you nipping through the little cage bag. I'm watching you. Out of everyone, Leo, I thought you would be the nicest, hey? But you just got really, really bad attitude towards these bunnies. Hey, bunnies. Oops. There you go, my darling. Nice crispy leaves. Come on, Leo. Out you go. Good boy. Got to leave him alone. You still hunting, Hunty? Hey guys, come here. Come on. I got tomatoes. I got tomatoes. Come. Here, Pickles. Bonnie. Go, Bonnie! Duckies are out. Harvey's out. Hey, Harvey. Here you go, mate. Hugo's just been put out. Morning, Jackie boy. Hi, darling. Look at you, cutie pie. Look at Callie. She's such a cow. Callie, leave Harley! Why do you always have to chase him? Don't chase anyone else. You're racist, Callie. Are you racist against Harley's colours? Yeah, honey. Oh, Hugo? Jackie, you can't eat. You're a duck, and this is for rabbits. You can try it, but I don't think you'll like it. Maybe not. What are you eating? Are you eating an egg? Where'd you find that? Let me see. Oh, it's Lulu's. Annie gets an egg every morning now. Morning. Look how tired and sleepy, cute you are. Marley. Oh, he's such a good boy. Go, go, go. Don't always weeing on my bunny. You did that yesterday, boss. Stop pissing on Hugo. I'm watching you chase him off. Stop it. Go on. Leave him alone. I've got your back, boy. Don't worry. You asses. Ganging up on the kid that looks different. Good boy, Harley. Oh, by the way, guys, Harley's a boy now. He's starting to get his Drake feather. Does anyone else just hate Sunday cleanup of the duck houses? This took me so long to scrub, and I still got one more bunny hut, and I got to finish the inside. Sawdust down, put some new barrels of hay in here. Now I just need to clean one more bunny hut. He's hiding over here for now. Hello, boy. Are you getting upset, eh? I know you want to go inside. I know. But I'm trying to keep you as warm and dry as we can until I finish cleaning. Callie wants kisses. Giving kisses. Good girl. As you can see, this is our dumping ground for all of our old straw and hay. Let's just call it a compost section of the garden. Everything's a mess. Look at my poor corn. All of this section has been dug out by Boss. That's dying. I can give this to the bunnies. Oh, it's got corn in it. Try that. No? Yeah? Oh, you like it? Ooh. Callie, you're going to get along very well with our guests that are going to come and stay soon, since you like all that mud and mud baths, dirty water.